Welcome back, guys. What am I saying? Today I'm gonna be playing some Airsoft Center with my best friend Hans, also known as the famous MoonCheese. Hans, say hi.
Hey,
Yeah, this man's crazy. He thinks he's better than me. That's why he's crazy. It's
okay.
impossible that someone's better than me. Oh, already took
You
H.
reset the match. Well, wait, you have. Oh, I understand this game.
Yeah, it's Airsoft. Wait, hold up. Meet me at B. I'm not gonna take it. I mean H. I'm not gonna take it. Just meet me there. Wait, hold on. I got this. No, wait. Do you have a shotgun or something? Oh my
Snipe.
gosh, my pistol's so fast. Don't shoot! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Okay, just come over here, bro. I won't kill. I won't kill. I won't kill. Bro, I said I won't kill.
Killed me before, so yeah.
Okay, okay. I kind of deserve that, though. But don't take H. Don't take it. Even though you have for
Okay.
like 5 seconds. Wait. Hold on. How fast is this shoot? Oh, that's actually nice. My auto clicker actually is pretty nice. Where are you? Okay, you're right there. Hey, where, bro? Where the crap are? Huh? Huh? Bro.
Like my skin.
uh, I didn't exactly
It's so
see it
great.
because you shot me.
Hey, what is my graphics? Oh, it's at lowest. To max. Oh, it looks worse at max. Right there. That's at 7.
Do 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 do.
Oh,
Do you think that was my auto clicker?
no.
You're wrong. It was. I was turning it off and
Oh.
on. I was turning it off and on.
So it was.
Wait, you have to stay in the circle to.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. No, I literally just turned on my auto clicker once you killed me. No. Can I get the snipe? Can I get the snipe? Will he get the snipe? Okay, hold up. I gotta turn off my graphics quality so I can actually see that far.
Q and E
That just
do nothing.
enables tilt.
It does. Doesn't work while. Hey! Doesn't work while you're crouching.
Yes, why would it?
Because it'd be cool. Have a left hand mode, so then you can trip people.
It works while crouched.
It doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Oh no, I mean
Wait,
laying
hold on. How
down.
much money do I have? Oh wait, I have my auto clicker on. That's why. Um, let's see. How much money do I have? 435. Okay, load up. Let's go. Rifle. Let's get that. Oh, okay. Um, oh yes, I have a high ground. Tell me if you see these bullets.
You see those? You see me shooting that?
Just hold up. Yeah, I do now. Do you see that?
See this?
Just wait, hold on. Let me turn off my graphics quality. Gonna play on full graphics, see if I'm gonna lag or not. I still have like 125 ping, but I'm not lagging. Actually, I am a bit. No, I turned on my auto clicker by accident. Bro, I was trying to turn. Oh crap, my auto clicker's still on. I wanted to turn off my turn down my graphics, dude, and then you just killed me. Be like that.
Pez.
Popcat is way better at these games. Just kidding, though. You're definitely way better than Popcat.
Yeah.
He's a guy I featured in my recent video. It was me playing Swarm Simulator for the first time.
You also play Arsenal with him.
Bro, okay. Here's the thing. I did play Arsenal with him. Actually, no, he can't because his computer's gonna get like fried, bro. I did play this with him. I recorded, but I didn't post a video because I had to delete it because it was causing most of my lag.
Ow.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, you're using the AK-47, so am I.
Are you? You are?
Wait, I'm disabling auto respawn. I need to change. I want to change my gun.
Okay.
Ooh, snipers.
Just wait.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, where are you?
I am right here.
No, it's lagging. It's
None of
lagging.
this hitting you.
It's lagging. It's lagging.
How am I floating? I can't move. What? I can't move.
I just see you get flicked. You launched so far. How
Oh,
are
I
you
couldn't move
like?
at
How
all.
are you still winning, bro?
'Cause I'm just cracked.
No, huh? How? Wait, hold on. How much money do I have? I've got 5. Bro, it said I had 5,000. Oh my gosh, what the crap? Loadout, sniper. Hey, change this. I can't though. No, I don't have enough for a laser.
I'm changing my graphics quality one down, so then now those annoying shadows.
How much money do you have?
765.
Do you earn money by getting kills? You don't, right? Wait, you earn
Yes,
like
you do.
10. You earn 10.
But you earn 50.
Oh yeah.
Like I'm not wearing pants. Wait. $10,000.
IRL?
Okay.
IRL or what? Okay,
No. I am wearing pants.
wait, hold on. I'm lagging a
I am
lot.
wearing pants.
I'm lagging so much
Okay.
right now.
I'll just do this.
Oh?
No. Okay, I'm turning on. Wait, no, I disabled it. No, on. Okay.
I'm lagging a little bit. My ping's up at 200. It's kind of funny. Tanker lags at like, I don't know what he lags at. What does he lag at? Okay.
1,000 FPS.
How'd like all of your shots miss?
I haven't played a shooter game in like 50 years, so.
I flanked you.
Wait, we circled each other. I flanked you, but you flanked me. That's cheating.
I saw your head going right, so.
Oh. Hiding beside the wood thing. I'm missing every single one of my shots. I am absolutely
No. Oh my gosh, how did you miss? Wait, what? Gotta get out there.
What?
Gotta get out there. I'm running. I'm sliding. I'm jumping.
Exactly what you're gonna do, so I'm just gonna abuse it.
Really now? You sure about no? I missed my shot. Like my two shots. One went to your left. One went to your right.
Oh. No, do you like how I know exactly what you're gonna do?
Yeah, it's actually crazy.
We're not getting out of this.
I literally saw you, bro.
No, that's when you started shooting.
The thing is, I'm lagging, so I can't really see that far. Render distance quality's trash.
I see you. Hee hee.
Bro, what? Where did you know? Huh?
I knew you were obviously gonna go behind there. It gives you cover, so
I'm
just
literally,
strategy.
bro. I'm literally not earning any money.
What?
Like, I'm not. It's saying that I
What do you mean,
am.
like nothing same? We see each other. Okay, die.
Too much lag. I gotta turn off my graphics quality. Just a little, so I can see that far.
I won't shoot at you. Sit in here.
There we
What?
go. There we go.
You just crouched. Never gonna see this coming. Obviously, you're gonna go straight for H, but you're not. Gonna sit there. What? How did you see me? Okay, wait.
I have full view of a map, dude. From there.
I can see you.
Huh?
What?
Oh, game
Oh,
end.
the round ended. Okay.
Because
Good
I have
shit,
I have $430.
Why can't I move? Okay, like.
Okay, lag. Oh my gosh, lag.
My thing is stuck to.
I'm stuck. Okay. There we go. Oh, this place is huge. I hate this
have a
map.
pistol.
You didn't know that? That's your secondary.
I didn't even know that.
This map is
Any
so
points of
big.
this game?
This map is so big. No, I'm stuck! I was stuck.
Oh.
Totally did not enable
That's
my
my
auto
new
clicker.
favorite. To get some pants on. How did none of those hit you?
I forgot that my sniper rifle isn't full auto. I
Have a
thought
sniper rifle?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I heard you jump.
I didn't jump.
100%. Oh, I see.
No! I peeked. I thought you were out of ammo because there was a slight
Oh,
pause.
I'm never out of ammo. This game just kills. Yeah, it is.
Oh.
That went straight through my face.
No, what? How, what? Huh?
It's cracked.
Do you know how many kills we have to get? Look at how many kills we have to get.
This is not supposed to be meant for whatever it's called.
1v1s. I'm actually so good at flicking. The problem is I can't do it in Airsoft.
To the middle.
No! Oh, I shot you! It showed me that I shot you.
I'm crouching.
No,
Oh,
I
God,
actually
like,
shot you. Like,
down.
literally. LMGs cost that much? Oh my gosh. I'm literally not gaining any money. It's weird.
How did I just got $1,000 from nothing.
I'm actually not gaining money. Wait, hold up. I'm going to leave and then rejoin. Okay, so we're back. We went into a
Snipers are so much.
yeah, I know. We went into a public server so we could just be gaining money because I was wondering why I wasn't gaining any money. And now my game's lagging like crap. I'm at 18,000 ping. Last time I was in a public server, I was lagging like crap too.
Team am I on? I don't know
Okay.
which team I'm on.
Yeah, I'm lagging like crap right now.
Well, I am on red team.
Hold on.
Really?
That explains.
This
You're on
guy-
red.
Oh, that's the spawn. Okay.
You're on red team.
Red team. Team for the win. I like this map. Ooh,
Interesting.
that guy just got clapped.
You're on red team.
Ah!
Wait, am I on red team? No, I'm on blue team.
I might have to kill you then.
You won't be able to because I'm too cracked. I have 39 kill. Wait, I have 39 kills. You have 7. I'm just gonna use my pistol and full auto it.
I saw you. What? How dare you kill me? Where were you? I don't like this map. This server's so big. Maybe that big.
No. This man. I refuse to die.
How did that guy get? He's shooting through walls, but
Yes, that's how you
just
win this
sitting
game.
behind a wall. How did I get someone? Ah, you're killing me. I just got 3 kills in a row.
Oh, I got killed by Happy.
Yeah.
I got killed by Happy.
That's
Not-
very happy.
Yes, not happy.
Happy, hack.
No, you know what? I can get. Bro, what? Okay.
But
I can
hate
get.
spawn
I can get a.
protection.
I get a.
It
I
let
can.
me kill him.
Okay, I can get a song stuck in your head. You know what the song is? Do you know what that song is?
No.
It's called Baby Shark.
Baby shark.
You're
How
welcome.
dare you?
I got killed right after I killed you. Okay, I've got 5,000. Bro, it always says that I have 5,000 and it switches back to normal
Oh, I've
money.
been without a gun. What? I have a. Oh, okay, there. That's huge squirrel wheel.
Oh, I saw you. I saw you.
I hate Yoshi. As smart.
No! Okay,
Should
okay.
have kept on shooting.
I walked into your spray then. Did I walk into your spray? Lag.
It seems all spawn killing.
Huh? There's no one here.
Yoshi just changed his skin. Or avatar, or whatever it's called. Killed Yoshi.
Huh? How'd this man kill me? That's my question. No, I got killed by Rosie. Not even a hot avatar, bro. Probably some, like... I literally spawned, like, in... Wait, hold on. Now they're all spawn camping.
Oh. And it's just like crisscross of one doing it and then the other person doing it. Die.
Nice
We
trade.
killed each other.
Nice trade, nice trade. Bro, how did I miss? I have $1,000. Okay, hold on. Going to loadout.
Hey, how you
Sniper.
can't sprint while reloading? What is happening?
Wait, hold on.
There are invisible barriers blocking me from standing behind people and shooting them.
How do I turn on the laser?
What? Why? Hey, I'm lagging so bad. Boy, don't I have auto deploy? What? Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. But how do I turn on the laser? Like, do I have it
Okay,
on?
well,
How do I turn on my laser? Does it like automatically turn on or something, or do I have to hit a button? Because I'm hitting buttons and my laser's not turning on. Or is it only during night?
I have 2,500 ping. I ping us 2,500.
Oh, that's tough. Why is this man just leaning all the time? Loadout.
There, now it's better. It's
Rifle.
only at 63.
No, we're going
It's just
return.
so laggy.
Sniper. Maybe it wasn't equipped. Equipped. Return.
This is rigged.
On.
I don't like this map.
Yeah, this map is too big. My laser doesn't seem to be on. Or maybe I just have to turn graphics quality
You
up.
gonna get lasers? I hate Yoshi.
Yeah, like I still don't have a laser.
Oh, I'm getting money from this. Quite a lot of money. Wait, I need one more kill so I can get the cheapest sniper.
What is this PEQ? What is a PEQ?
I don't know. I just got I have a server. Oh, someone already in a game. Why can't I do anything?
Oh my gosh! Now my freaking.
Sniper.
Hold on. What the crap?
What?
Okay. My auto clicker seems to be on. Loadout secondary. What can I buy? I can't buy anything. But I can
It's rigged.
but I can probably upgrade my pistol.
You can upgrade things.
You didn't know that?
Oh,
Sideways aim. What is this sideways aim?
I don't like this. You did disable auto respawn. Like the dark maps. This one's way too bright.
Russian suppressor.
Wait, disable auto respawn. Disable. Where is it? It won't let me disable it.
Shotgun, sniper, some G's, LMGs, secondary. Okay, we're
Disable
gonna go
auto respawn.
here.
There.
Over.
Sniper. I'm buying the cheapest sniper. Oh, you can get upgrades. What? Green tracers. What? Purple. 55,000. I want this one. What? 25. Why does it cost more?
I'm
I
stuck.
just take all my money.
I'm stuck.
I am so confused. Why did it just take all my money?
I'm
What?
stuck. Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm not.
Just took all my money. Wait, what?
It was literally on my team. What the crap?
I am so confused.
What team are
Just
you
took
on?
all my money.
What team are you on?
Equipped. Okay, there. Okay, I have it equipped. Okay, there. Now I have a sniper. Hey, Habibi monkey.
Okay. Loadout. Full sniper. Bro, like lasers, do they only work in the night?
Mm, mm.
Like in this game, do they only work on the night? Because like, I literally cannot use one. I wish there was a third person mode.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm thinking that it
What?
only works during the night. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna need a full auto.
Mm-hmm.
Loadout, rifle. Get that. Get the... Oh, I didn't get one. Nice. On the barrel. Tracer, no tracer. Okay, equipped all. Let's go. New. Okay, they are getting the other ones. Let's take those away from them. What team are you on? Bro, what? Bro, what? Okay, I get it.
I'm making big money from this.
Okay, don't kill me next time you see me. Where are you?
Tree.
Don't kill me.
Oh, person that I killed before killed me. I guess they're. Hey, they're using the chiseled head. Oh, I'm not on blue team.
How'd you get into the
I
tree?
am on blue team.
How'd you get into the tree?
I just walked on the side of it. But yeah, I want to go back in the tree. This is better tree. Oh, the tree just pushed me out.
I'm lagging so much. What's my graphics quality at? It's literally lowest. Okay, hold on. What the crap? How am I lagging so much?
I hate this position. So gives everybody so much cover.
I get more kills on the ground.
Ooh, that guy just got sniped. Man, on a roll. You didn't like me in being in a tree, and you kicked me out. Ow. Just got 60 for killing that guy. I'm not sure why.
Okay, I need to get a different gun.
Oh, I'm lagging really bad.
495. Okay. Gonna get this. Equipped all. Well, actually, we're gonna take my secondary. We're gonna take off sideways aim. Bro, how? I shot him? I scope quick?
They won. You won.
Bro.
Right. Doing it
My
again.
mouse isn't working again.
Secondary.
Okay, there we go.
Secondary.
Oh my gosh. What?
$0. Wow. Oh, I hate auto respawn.
What team are you on?
I am on team.
Blue? You're on blue?
Blue.
Why are you always on blue, bro?
You're on red.
Yeah. Huh?
Uh,
How did this man shoot me? Okay, I'm lagging too much.
what?
Okay, well,
Killed me.
I'm gonna make another video of me playing with Sir MoonCheese again, but until then, see you guys later.